SACU is a union that seeks to promote sustainable economic growth, employment creation and poverty reduction in the Southern Africa region. SACU has been in existence since 1910, making it the oldest customs union in the world. Swaziland is the current chair of this union. It has recently led a process that facilitated discussions within SACU on its transformation towards a developmental integration agenda.
SACU countries share strong bonds and have similar challenges that necessitate that we reform SACU into an arrangement that promotes sustainable development.
The summit of heads of state and government of SACU meet on an annual basis. The meeting discusses progress in implementation of the agreed work program. The summit also follows high-level consultative meetings by President Zuma in 2016 to discuss the SACU work program.
We have been able as the region to put SACU on a path towards sustainable development. I firmly believe that the work program and the terms of reference for the review that will be presented by the ministers will ensure that SACU achieves its objectives.
The summit ends on Sunday. Yolisa Njamela for CGTN.